Okay, a warm good morning to all of you. I hope it's audible to all of you. Is it audible to all of you? Students,
Yes, sir.
Sakshi, is it
Yes,
audible to
sir.
you? Great. Okay. So, guys, we will start the session without wasting more time, right? What we have been discussed yesterday, at the last or at the end of the session, we have been discussed about the TCP/IP layered architecture, right? See, TCP/IP layered architecture. Under that session, TCP/IP layered architecture, we have been discussed the various layers which is being contained by the TCP/IP model and the OSI model, right? We have been covered up the various layers which is which is comes under the TCP/IP model, which comes under the OSI model, and other layers which is being useful if we are going to discuss about the concept of the Internet Protocol architecture or transmission controlling protocol architecture, right? So let us have a quick recap of that particular thing which we have learned, which we have discussed, which we have noticed, which we have covered yesterday, right? So let us start with OSI, that is Open System Interconnection Model layers, right? Students, as we have already discussed that on OSI model, there are three different categories of the layer, right? One is the hardware layer, which are the bottom, which are the initial layer, which are the bottom layer of that particular. It means that bottom three layers contains under the hardware layer till network layer, starting from the physical layer. It means physical, data link, and network. This comes under the hardware layer, right? Then we have transport layer. Transport layer is nothing but it's a heart of the OSI model, right? Then session, presentation, and application. These three are denoting the these three are denoting the software layer, or we called it application layer, right? So basically, we have three categories of the layer: hardware layer, heart of the OSI model, and software layer, or we called it application layer, right? Physical layer, what we have covered under the physical layer, we have been discussed about the bit synchronization, bit rate control. We have been discussed about the transmission medium, that what transmissions medium we are having, right? And so many other things. We have been discussed the concept of the bit rate control, bit synchronization, and some other features which we have been already covered up under the physical layer, right? Post physical layer, we have data link layer, right? On the data link layer, we have been discussed the concept of the framing. We have been discussed the concept of the frame control. We have been discussed about the frame assembly and disassembly, right? We have been discussed the concept of the MAC, right? That is media access control, and we have been discussed the concept of the logical link control, that is known as LLC under the data link layer, right? Post data link layer, we have been directly jumped toward the network layer, right? On the network layer, we have been discussed the concept of the packets, we have been discussed the concept of the routing, we have been discussed the concept of the IP, Internet Protocol, right? Or data transmission, right? So guys, this is what which we have been already discussed under these all different categories, or these different kinds of the layered, right? Post network layer, we have been transport layer, which is generally used for the transportation purpose. Transportation ka matlab to travel or to transmit our data from that particular place from where we are going to transmit to other place. That is the roles and responsibility of the, yes, transport layer. We have been already learned the various kind of protocols under this transport layer. Post that, we have session layer. Session, as name suggests, that yes, how long we have to build, we have to prepare the connection in between during the transmission of that particular data, that can be covered under the session layer. Post that, we have presentation. Presentation is nothing that yes, how we have to display, how we have to showcase that particular data for the users, whether we have to encrypt the data, whether we have to decrypt the data, whether we have to add some security on that particular data, and many more features which can be comes under the presentation part. That is the roles and responsibility of the presentation layer. And finally, we have the application layer. Application layer is nothing that yes, application means yes, still we are working under this particular application, we are obtaining the data from this particular application, and as we are having the Google Chrome, right? We are posting our request www.oimt.ac.in from the Google Chrome, right? And see, for obtaining the Google Chrome, see, listen guys, for obtaining the oimt.ac.in, what Google Chrome did, Google Chrome or Firefox, whatever browser we are using, through internet service provider, through ISP, it directly moved to that physical layer first, right? On the physical layer, it checks each and every bit of the information which is being contained by the oimt.ac.in. Post that data link, it convert that particular bit into the frame, right? Post that network, it convert that particular frame into the packet. Post that transport, that yes, from this particular host IP address, we need to transmit that oimt.oc.in to this particular IP address. It means it is responsible for the transportation purpose, right? Session means how long the user requests that yes, this oimt.ac.in must be active in front of my machine or in front of me. It means till that time, until we have not closed that particular website from the browser, it must be opened in front of us. That is somehow known as in session. Presentation, that yes, what policies we have established, that yes, if that particular data is being presented, so this module is showcased on that particular format, or the showcase format is like that, right? And application is directly that particular Chrome or Firefox, where we have accessed, where we have obtained that particular data, that particular website, oimt.ac.in. Any confusion or any kind of clarification to anyone on this particular scenario, this entire process which I have been explained to you. Does anyone has any kind of confusion? Harshit Tyagi, beta, do you have any confusion on this entire scenario which I have been explained on the OSI model? If you have, please feel free to let me know. Harshit. I think that is not audible to Harshit. Shailesh, any confusion, beta? Any confusion on any step under this? Yes. Shilpi Bharadwaj, do you have any confusion on the entire process which I have been explained for you people? The students, one more thing I would like to tell you guys, why I am explaining this process right now, because I do understand that you guys are, come to know about each and every layer, each and every architecture, each and every process which we have discussed, right? So that is the reason, Salish, that is only the reason that I was explaining the entire session thoroughly, because I do understand that you guys are more familiar with each and every step, right? And each and every technique which we have been cover up under this model. So any confusion on OSI model, Shilpa Yadav and Sakshi Negi, beta, any confusion? If you have any kind of confusion, feel free to tell me. Shilpa, use this at your mouth because I was not hearing your voice. Fine, great. Now it's okay. Yes. Again, it is not audible to me. Nothing is hearing. I don't know what was the issue. Whether your volume is now it's okay. Please. Yeah. Any confusion? No, it's not audible right now. Sakshi Negi, check your connection. Whether you have inserted that particular port into right port or not. Yes, please. Yeah. Sakshi. Any confusion, beta, Sakshi?
Yes, sir.
Where do you have confusion? किस चीज में confusion है? Please बताइए.
No, sir.
Great. ठीक है. Harshit, is it audible to you, beta? Harshit? Fine. I think. Okay. Do you have any confusion, Harshit?
सर मेरा आईपी जानना था.
Can you please repeat it again? Because, yeah, please, बताइए.
सर IPv4 header.
Okay, IPv4 header. Okay, we'll explain it later. है ना? We'll explain it later. अभी बात करेंगे इसके ऊपर. ठीक है.
ठीक है.
और कुछ.
ओके सर.
और कुछ.
और सर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम प्रेजेंटेशन लेयर और सेशन लेयर प्रोवाइड नहीं करता क्या? मैंने पढ़ा था ये. ऐसा है?
OS प्रेजेंटेशन और सेशन प्रोवाइड करता है. डेफिनेटली प्रोवाइड करता है.
करता है.
Definitely, we will explain you that how it provides. Because see, what happens, suppose you have been, let's take an example of your Android iOS. See, what happens, that sometimes something is being existed, but you can't open that, right? So what is it? That's a presentation, right? Similarly for session, suppose you have been installed a software. Let's suppose मैं आपको अपने प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बताता हूँ. जब मैं MSc कर रहा था तो मैंने एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाया था, साइबर कैफे के लिए बनाया था. तो हर्षित, उस प्रोजेक्ट में क्या होता था कि साहब, सपोज हमारे समय पे बहुत फेमस थे साइबर कैफे, बहुत बढ़िया भी चलते थे, ऑर्कुट चला करता था, जैसे अभी फेसबुक चलाते हैं लोग. तो ऑर्कुट में स्क्रैप वगैरह भेजते थे, बहुत सारी चीजें होती थी। तो हमारे समय पे क्या मैंने सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया था हर्षित, कि मैंने एक वेब बेस्ड एप्लीकेशन बनाई थी। उसमें क्या होता था कि जैसे ही सपोज आप कहीं पे साइबर कैफे में इंटरनेट सर्व करने गए तो 20 रुपए 1 घंटे का लिया जाता था और 10 रुपए आधा घंटे का। तो आपको अगर आधा घंटा करना है तो वो टाइमर से अभी का टाइम वहां पर डाल देगा, और जैसे ही 10 घंटे, सॉरी, जैसे ही हाफ एन आवर हो जाएगा, हाफ एन आवर हो जाएगा, तो हाफ एन आवर होते ही ऑटोमेटिकली आपका इंटरनेट जो है, हाफ एन आवर हाफ एन आवर होते ही आपका जो इंटरनेट है वो इंटरनेट ऑटोमेटिकली बंद हो जाएगा। और देखिएगा, आपका द पेज कैन नॉट बी रिक्वेस्टेड और दैट साइट इज नॉट वर्किंग, वट एवर इज यू आर राइटिंग। और ध्यान रखिएगा, सिमिलरली उसने साइट को तो बंद किया, एक्सप्लोरर को तो बंद किया या क्रोम को तो बंद किया, बट इट डायरेक्टली शट डाउन योर कंप्यूटर। आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट, राइट? सो दिस आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड, और आपको यदि उसका डेमो देखना है तो मेरे पास उसका सॉफ्टवेयर भी पड़ा हुआ है, इंक्लूडिंग प्रोग्रामिंग। मैंने .NET प्लेटफॉर्म में बनाया था, ASP.NET का यूज करके बनाया हुआ था। इफ यू वांट टू शोकेस, आई विल श्योरली प्रोवाइड इट टू यू। हर्षित, इज इट क्लियर?
Yes sir, yes sir.
So it means,
Okay, thank you, sir.
it means what I did session presentation along with the networking, ठीक है ना? और कौन सी नेटवर्किंग के साथ? वाइड एरिया नेटवर्किंग के साथ। कौन सी नेटवर्किंग के साथ? नेटवर्क ऑफ नेटवर्क्स के साथ में, यानी इंटरनेट के साथ में, राइट? सो दिस कैन बी यूज्ड। हाउ टू यूज दैट आई लेट यू। एनी कंफ्यूजन?
No sir.
Great. ठीक है. Now let us move on to the another kind of model that is known as a TCP/IP model, right? See, students, if you are talking about the TCP/IP model, see, you all are aware about the transmission controlling protocol and internet protocol. These two protocols are most widely used in terms of the, networking or any kind of networking which we are going to establish. ठीक है. तो if we are talking about the TCP/IP model, right, that TCP/IP model contains the 4 different categories of layer. First, top one is known as an application layer, which can be covered session, presentation and application. These 3 layers, जो इन 3 layers को cover करता है. Then we have host to host transport layer, जिसको कि हम लोग transport layer भी बोलते हैं और host to host layer भी बोलते हैं. Means it is responsible for transmitting the data from host to host. It means one host to another host, right? And we have internet layer, जिसको कि हम लोग नेटवर्क लेयर को यहाँ पर क्या बोलते हैं? इंटरनेट लेयर बोलते हैं, ठीक है? ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर को क्या बोलते हैं? होस्ट टू होस्ट ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर बोलते हैं, right? And we have network interface layer. Network interface layer is nothing but yes, it's a combination of physical and data link layer, right? So overall, जो आपका TCP/IP model था, that TCP/IP model contains these 4 layers. Or generally before OSI, the TCP/IP model is being invented, right? And we have been cover up the different categories or different kinds of protocols under the TCP/IP model. This we have already covered up, right? So we have been covered up TCP/IP model and OSI model. I hope you don't have any confusion on these 2 models. Post that we have been discussed the TCP/IP protocol suite. It means if you are talking about the TCP/IP model, so what are the various categories of the protocol which are using or which can be used under the TCP/IP model, right? So we have Telnet. You all are aware about the Telnet. Telnet stands for terminal emulation. Terminal emulation means what? If we are talking about the terminal emulation, so under the terminal emulation, what we did, say suppose we are going to connect with any computer system on any kind of network, whether that is LAN, whether that is MAN, WAN, whatever it is, right? With the help of the yes, remote login. So that is being possible under the terminal emulation, or the entire process is known as an Telnet. Then we have learned the concept of the FTP. It means suppose we are going to share any file within the network or with the help of the internet under this FTP, that is known as in file transfer protocol. As name suggests, that it is used for transferring or for sharing the file. Then we have been learned the concept of the mail server, that is known as in simple mail transfer protocol. Shailesh, if you do have any network issue, so you can, turn off your video and you just hear the audio, whatever I was, talking about. But yes, don't think that, yes, everyone disconnect their video and just turn off their video. Please don't do like that. If someone else has any such network issue as Kartikeya is, I was requesting Kartikeya again and again, but not, nevertheless, he was not responding to me, even though he has not texted me. Guys, why we have posted the instructions to you? I have posted the instruction to you that yes, if you found any kind of difficulty, rather than letting me know in between the session, you directly message me, you directly chat with me with the, you know chat with host only option, so that I can see that particular chat and I will do the needful if that is feasible under my authority, right? But it should not be like that, that yes, I was responding you again and again that yes, start your video and you guys are not. See, else what I'll do, I'll just remove you from the entire session. All right. So fine with that. I don't know. Shailesh has some network issue. That is why he has disconnected it right now. So we have completed the telnet, that is known as in terminal emulation. Terminal emulation, as I've already told you, it is used for the remote login purpose. We have been learned the concept of the FTP. FTP is generally used for sharing the file or file transfer protocol. If we are transmitting any kind of file or any type of the file within the network, so that is being done with the help of the file transfer protocol, right? Then we have SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, for transferring the local mail server, or for preparing the local mail server. We are using SMTP. Then we have DNS. DNS, as I've already told you, DNS is a stand for domain naming system, which will allow you to add any user under the specific domain which you have been specified. It's a kind of server, or that is known as a domain naming system. Then we have RIP, that is routing information protocol. It's responsible for collecting the collecting that is responsible for collecting the routers information, or some information that is. Shailesh, if you have some network issue, you can turn off your video. Not an issue. If you have some internet issue, so you can turn off your video. You only listen.
नहीं सर अब ठीक हो गया सर.
Fine.
अब ठीक हो गया सर.
Fine. So see, if you are talking about the uh, RIP, so RIP is responsible for that, yes, which routing mechanism we have been added under this. So that is cover up under the routing information protocol. Then we have simple, yes, what is the full form of SNMP? SNMP, anyone else? Sakshi, what is the full form of SNMP? Yeah, please. Yes. What is the full form of SNMP? Harshit, unmute. Mute your mic. Yeah. SNMP. What is the full form of SNMP? Oh. Shilpi Bharadwaj. SNMP.
Sir, simple voice network message protocol.
Very good. कुछ भी तुक्के मार दो है ना. Simple network management protocol, right? Simple network management protocol is the kind of protocol which is being used for the some local area network, right? See, students, if you don't know anything, say sorry, sir, no idea about this. Sakshi, you as well, right? Don't sit like a statue. If somebody is asking you and you don't have any idea, right? Try to be polite. Don't make guesses, right? Professionally, students, it's a good practice that if you are doing any kind of professional courses, right? See, if you don't know about anything, never make guesses, especially while you are taking the interview. During the interview, what happens that they mostly ask you the question sometime which is not related to your profile. As we have been going to somewhere for the programmer profile, right? See, you are being there for the programming, right? Or they are just hiring you as a programmer, right? But to attain your construction, to attain your concentration, or to check your, capability, what generally they did, they ask you the question from the computer hardware. Shailesh, are you hearing me now? Is it audible to you? Okay. See, what happens that suppose you went to somewhere for the programming. See, that you say that I was good in programming, I'm good in Java, I'm good in .NET and all, whatever it is, right? And you have been there, right? So, see, you're taking an interview, right? So, interviewing officer, in most of the cases, interviewing officer will ask you the question which is not related to the programming. And sometimes they will ask you the question related to your personal life. Are you married? How many kids you do have, right? What is your elder kid's name, right? See, this is somehow related to your. See, sometimes they will ask you some interrelated. See, to check whether how much capability you do have, to check your, what we can say that to check your patience level. See, sometimes what happens as, let's suppose I went to somewhere and I never ever have any interest on fashion, right? And suppose I went to somewhere for the programming profile and people will ask me the question that, yes, Ankit, are you believe in fashion? Which fashion do you like? Which jeans do you like more? Right? Which company shirts do you like more? Right? Guys, for your kind information, I would like to tell you that I have interest, but not that much. Right? What I thought that you should wear some branded cloth. Right? As I have wear this shirt, na, so this shirt is of US Polo. Right? And on most of the cases, and it's an original US Polo. I would like to tell you that it's a original, it's not a R copy, it's a original US Polo. And I myself thought that yes, you should wear the branded cloth. See what happens if you wear the branded cloth, definitely your confidence level is build up. Are you getting my point? Right. So what I'm trying to say that yes, they just check your patience level at that time, and they will ask you some miraculous question. See that is not matched to your profile. As you have been selected somewhere for the programmer profile at the end of the session, they will ask you that yes, how good you are in computer hardware, how to assemble the computer, how to how to increase the hard disk of any computer, and you say, sorry sir, no idea about it, or sorry sir, this is not my topic, I've been selected for the programmer. See what they will do, they will fire you at that time. They will fire you. They never ever select you for that particular post. See what generally they are doing, they are checking your patience with that yes, how much patience you do have, that you know very well that yes, if you are working somewhere as a programmer, right, your machine is not performing well, there are certain bugs, or there are some hardware issue, or some hardware he want to increase or decrease, whatever he want to do. So for that they have dedicated technical support engineer. But yes, they will ask you, right? So please make sure in future, if somebody will ask you such type of question, to all of you, not only single Sakshi Neki and Shilpi, never ever makes guesses, right? And try to provide the meaningful answer, right, or the correct answer if you are sure about it, right? And if you don't know, directly say, sorry sir, sorry ma'am, right? Say politely, sorry sir, sorry ma'am, no idea about it, right? So see, it feels great, right? But it's not like that, that yes, as Shilpi says just now, a second before, a minute before, that yes, simple network message protocol. No, but it's not like that. See, if you don't know, say directly, sir, I don't know about it. Yeah, sir, no idea about it. Say politely, not like that, sir, mujhe nahi aata. See, this is not a good practice. Are you getting my point? Right? So you should obey, you should be much polite, especially not only if you are taking the interview, at your home as well. It should not be like that कि भाई तूने मेरी ये क्यों खाई और उसके दो घुसे मार दिए, right? It's not like that. See, if you do like that, so definitely, see, he or she will attack on yours. होता है ना शिल्पी, ऐसा घरों में होता है अक्सर, ठीक है ना? We were trying that, yes, we were trying to scold our younger and elder brother that why you did this, और उसके मार दिया ये, right? अब तुमने तो मार दिया उसके, तुम्हें क्या लगता है वो छोड़ेगा तुमको? कोई नहीं छोड़ता भैया. See, everyone is boss, right? So this happens, right? So better you say that yes, why you are taking it, or let them eat. मैं तो कहता हूँ suppose I have bring some extra material for myself and somebody else has brought that. Sakshi, I will tell you a story that yes, my favorite is dahi bhat, right? So I have been carried some dahi, some curd for myself at my home, right? I save it under the fridge, right? That is somewhere in the fridge, and I have, picked up from the fridge because it was too cold nowadays, right? And then what I did that yes, I get it outside that curd which is kept inside the fridge or refrigerator, right? So what happens, Sal, is right that I was much sure about it that कि yes ये खा जाएगा इसको, ठीक है ना, और कहीं ना कहीं से ढूंढ के खा जाएगा. And what happens that yes, because I make my own arrangement. मैं अपने लिए 1 किलो और लेके आया था, फिर मैंने कहा यार चलो अब हम इससे कम चला लेंगे. So I make my own arrangement and he was having that curd. बड़े चाव से, मतलब he was मतलब pick that sugar on that and he was having that. And it's a chance of day before yesterday. I went to there, I have seen, and मतलब उसको he realized that yes भाई आ गया, है ना. So he kept it outside the under the under the bed, right? And I went to there because मेरे को पता तो था. I told him कि कटोरी निकालो भाई. तो he bring that कटोरी and he was मतलब वो आधा खा चुका था, उसका डोंगा था, वो आधा खा चुका था. मैंने कहा not an issue, ठीक है ना. So what I did, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, सुनो. What I did, I kept that 1 kg of curd along with me, ठीक है ना. मैं पूरी थैली लेके आया. मैंने कहा भाई कम पड़ती है तो ये भी निकाल. आप यकीन नहीं करेंगे, उसको इतनी शर्मिंदगी महसूस हुई and he says sorry, right? So it happens यार, it happened. What generally we did, अच्छा मम्मी, और उधर से मम्मी से भी गाली पड़वा दी उसको, पिताजी ने भी गाली पड़ दी, है ना, खुद भी धर दिए उसके 2-3, और 5 दिन तक वही मसाला चल रहा है कि अरे ये तो चोर करता है, चोरी करता है, राइट? वाई यार, वाई? अपने घर में कौन चोरी करेगी, बात, राइट? सो प्लीज थिंक लाइक दैट, राइट? एंड नेवर एवर give the what I can say, that never ever give the kind of guesses to the interviewing officer, not only with me, with everyone, ठीक है? So ensure about it, right? और ये बेटा, see, no one will explain you like that. मैं आपको एक चीज बता रहा हूँ बेटा कि आपको एडिशनल टीचिंग के साथ ये चीजें कोई नहीं बताता, क्योंकि ये सब जो सब्जेक्ट है ना, ये आप लोग को एक सब्जेक्ट पढ़े होंगे, मोरल साइंस होता था ना, नैतिक शिक्षा होती थी, तो उसके अंदर ये बताया जाता था, और आप लोगों ने मोरल साइंस को हल्के में लिया तो फिर मुझे बताना पड़ रहा, राइट? सो प्लीज Shilpi and Sakshi, beware. If someone will ask you and you don't have any idea, you say sorry sir or sorry ma'am, no idea about it. Directly deny that. Don't make guesses, right? Then we have SNMP, RIP, routing information. TCP, all are aware about TCP, transmission controlling protocol. TCP is connection oriented or connectionless? Which kind of protocol it is? Shilpi, beta, TCP is connection oriented or connectionless? Which kind of protocol it is? Please unmute your mic. Tyagi, TCP is which kind of protocol? Harshit.
Sir, connection oriented.
Very good, very good. See, what is connection oriented, Tyagi? Can you please explain what is connection oriented?
Yes sir. Sir,
Yeah.
इस connection oriented वो होता है,
Right?
जो डाटा भेजने से पहले कोई कनेक्शन बनाए, यानी कि
Means what?
सर इसमें एक्नॉलेजमेंट होता है, डेटा का रीट्रांसमिशन होता है.
Tyagi, it's a 3-phase process, right?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Establishment, data transmission or resource sharing, and EOT, that is end of transmission, and post EOT it will provide an acknowledgement, right? So this is somehow
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
connection oriented. right? And on the connection layer, right, we have the same process, but there was no acknowledgement, right? So that is connection less. Very good. We have user datagram protocol, that is UDP. You all are aware about the UDP. We have address resolution protocol, that is ERP. We have internet protocol. You all are aware about the internet protocol. We have ICMP, internet controlling messaging protocol, and we have IGMP, that is internet group messaging protocol. You all are aware about these all the protocols because I have explained each and everything in detail. You all are aware about the Ethernet, that what is Ethernet. You all are aware about the token ring. You all are about the frame relay, and you all are about the ATM. What is the full form of ATM? ATM, right? The full form of ATM, I would like to ask this question to Sakshi Negi. Beta, what is the full form of ATM? Please, Sakshi Negi.
Sir, I don't know.
I don't know. Sorry, sir. See, speak like this. Sorry, sir. Don't know. Right? And speak politely. Not speak in tone. Sir, I don't know. See, this is not care, yeah. Why you speak like that? See, one side you don't know, other side you are just making that, at a tone. Yes, we would like to ask this question next to Shilpi Bharadwaj. What is the full form of ATM, beta? See, we have ears, we have mouth. Try to use. Don't be like a gunga. Are you gunga? No, sir. I'm
Sorry,
not.
sir.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Don't know. Great. Not an issue. Okay. It's a asynchronous transfer mode, right? We have been discussed the different kind of modes, right? Modes of the transmission. If you are aware about the modes of transmission, we have ATM. Sorry, ATM. Yes, asynchronous transmission modes, right? So that is ATM. We have been already covered up, and I have been already told you yesterday. Shailesh, this was the correct acronym for ATM, na? Yes, asynchronous transfer mode,
Yes,
or,
sir.
or something else,
Mode.
or it might be automatic teller
ना
machine,
मैं तो ठीक है.
or any time money, whatever you have been saying yesterday. Uh, you have been speaking like that, na? Any time money, automatic teller machine, right? So it's asynchronous transfer mode. So I hope you guys enjoying the
ना आज
class.
तक वही पता थी ना.
Right. Not an issue. Not an issue. Because, but see, if you are studying about the networking, so it's asynchronous transfer, right? So what is synchronous? What is asynchronous? You all are aware. Harshit, we will cover up your question by tomorrow, right? The IP header, because we have last 2 minutes left, right? So
Sure, sure.
we will cover it up by tomorrow, but remaining we have been already covered up once we have started the session. But yes, what you did, you try to learn it with your own way from that PPT which I have been already shared with you, right? And again, if you don't have any confusion on any of the key point which we have discussed, right, try to discuss it with Shailesh, and you mutually discuss together. Definitely you got some good resolution for the same, right, Harshit? Right? So I hope you guys
Yes,
are,
sir.
I hope you
Yes, sir.
guys I hope you guys enjoyed the session which we have been taken today, right? Or we will try to do the session thoroughly in this manner, whatever we have implemented today, right? And we would like to tell you that we need the whole class attention on this class, and hope your institution, your offline class would be started from 15th of December onwards, as we have received the notice on today's newspaper. And Shilpi Bharadwaj, I have listened the recording which you did yesterday, that I didn't do any work yet, and I didn't prepare the notebook yet. And finally, you all are laughing. I have listened that recording whenever I went to there, right? So please, beta, अब तो बनाना ही पड़ेगा, because college are open, right? And बनाओगे भी तो I'll not accept any notebook after today. 10 तारीख के बाद मैं ना किसी की नोटबुक देखूंगा, ना करेक्शन करूंगा, इवन तो शिल्पा यादव की भी जो की तो रखी है, आएगी तो मैं उसको हैंड ओवर कर दूंगा. आई नेवर एवर चेक दैट. Okay, thank you all of you. Have a good day. We'll meet again by tomorrow.
You
Bye-bye.
too, sir. Thank you.